Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to make portrait video in Filmora application using your mobile device. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap open the Filmora application on your device. Tap the New Project button. To create a fresh project, select a video clip you would like to edit from your device's camera roll or other sources. After you select a video clip, click on Import. Now the video will be previewed on your timeline. Before editing, set your project aspect ratio. In order to do that, go ahead and go to the bottom menu and then click on the Scale option. Under Scale, go ahead and select 9:16 ratio. This is the standard for portrait videos. Now that you've selected 9:16 ratio from the Scale option, click on the tick mark. Now that you've changed the aspect ratio, go ahead and edit your video clip. Trim, split, arrange your video clip and images on the timeline according to your preference, and then, after you are done with the edits, click on the Export button at the top right corner. In order to save your video, go ahead and choose the Export option at the bottom, and that's how you make a portrait video in Filmora application using mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.